guys, we're back at it, and today I want to talk about, whoa, there we go, right there. Stupid boy. Thanks, brother. Thank you. These are the ILM Armor Flow. Now these are the ILM Armor Flow. Now these are the ILM, nothing worse than wet jeans. So, that's stupid. And in case of an accident, an idiot. Can y'all stop with the fucking stupid brand inquisition? Now compared to motorcycle riding jeans, these are much, what am I saying? As far as durability? Now as far as what's the word? Terribility. Armor and the hip armor. So in case of a, whoa, so I wound up getting the side. So as far as sizing, I wound up getting, honestly, under 50 bucks. Great pair of motorcycle riding pants, especially for the warm weather. These are gonna keep you cool, looking cool, being cool. I love you. I'll put a link down below. Check it out. Bye bye. Stop recording.